Hello, my name is Ms. Blackford, and welcome to my virtual art education website. Today we are going to be talking about memes. Let's go on to the next slide here. Can I just click? Yes, I can. Okay, cool. So what are memes? Memes are a humorous image, video, piece of text, etc. that is copied, often with slight variations, and spread rapidly throughout internet users. Thanks. So how to make a meme? Some may choose to alter pre-existing memes, or you can start yours from scratch. For pre-existing memes, you may change the text by adding relations to you or other people, or you can add or change photos used within previous memes. And if you're doing it from scratch, you may add text by relating it to yourself or other people as well, or you can add photos from previous memes or any photo really that you would like to use for your own personal meme. So for an example, this is one that I made in my digital culture of arts class in college. It basically says when they post about how happy their plants make them, but they continue to act like the world is their wasteland. I made this because a lot of people my age like to call their plants like they're little babies, or they consider themselves like a plant mom. But then you see them turn around and they might throw trash on the floor, or they might throw some litter outside their car window. And it's very ironic that they do that when they're so happy with their plants inside of their home. So I really wanted to make a meme about how like ironically funny that is and to share that with people in my classroom. So I was able to do that, and a lot of people found it kind of humorous, like, like what a meme is supposed to do. And I feel like it brought a little bit of attention to, a topic that may not be super huge, but it can hopefully shape up the minds of other people around me. So let's see what kind of memes you guys can make. I am very interested on the different things you guys can make, especially from pre-existing memes, or if you guys really want to start out strong and see what you can do by challenging yourself. I would like to see you guys start from scratch too. Um, Personally, I like working from both, and I hope you guys can find the time within yourselves to explore both eras of pre-existing memes and scratch, like straight from scratch memes. Thank you, and you guys have a good day. Bye.